how to set up Palworld's server. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Steam and go to the option of library at the top, and there you will be able to find the option of games and software at the top left hand side corner, and it is a drop down menu. Just simply click on it, then select the option of tools, and in tools search for Palworld. Now you would be able to find the option of dedicated server. Just simply click on it and install it, and it will be installed in your C drive of your computer. So just open up your C drive, then go to program files. After that, open up Steam's folder, and in that folder you will be able to find the option of Steam apps. Just simply open it up. There select the option of common, then select the option of Pal server, and there you will be able to find the option of default Palworld settings. Just simply open it up as a text file and text editor basically, and just copy the whole code written over there. Now get back and open up the folder named as Pal. After that, click on saved, then open config, and under config you will be able to find the option of Windows server. Just simply open it up. Now open up the Palworld settings and make sure that you open it up as text editor. Then paste the code that we just copied earlier, and after that just simply get back and launch the server. And this time, instead of starting a new game, click on this option of join multiplayer game, and this way you would be able to join the server that we just created. And this is how you create server on Palworld. And in case if you want your friends to join up, you need to enable port forwarding, and for that you need to open up the settings of your IP address, and from there you will be able to enable it. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.